Alright folks, here we go. Spring 2020, just gonna talk about sighting in your turkey gun for this year. I got a sight in both mine, so I guess just tell you how I do it. I always set my target up about 5 yards away. Just draw a few circles and then take some shots. Just aim right on circle, try to hit the circle and see where you hit. That's all you need to worry about right now. So gonna load the old 870 up and start out with that first. So here we go. A little bit high, that'll be perfect for when I shoot my pattern. I'm gonna shoot one more. Yeah, so them should be pretty good, so because I like to sight my shotguns in, so when you aim at the turkey, when you aim at the wattles, at the base of the neck, your pattern's gonna be up above him. So you're gonna, all that force is gonna, you can see the head when you're aiming, and it's just, that's how I like to do it. So we'll set this target back up and then shoot the other one. Here we go folks, we got the Stoeger out. Made my own mid bead for this yesterday. And we're gonna shoot this, see how this shoots. We gotta sight this in too, so here we go. I'd say that's a 10 ring. Let's shoot another one. Looks pretty good to me. We're ready to shoot then, so ready to shoot our turkey loads, and I'll show you what that looks like up close. Yeah, so there's first trap load with the Stoeger and second one. There's no need to waste your turkey loads on that, so yeah, that's what you want. About 5-6 yards, shoot that. It looks centered. So we're gonna move back and we'll draw a turkey on here and we'll shoot our Longbeard XR. See how that shoots for us. Alright folks, here we go. We're gonna shoot the XRs. 3.5, number 5 shot. So that's what I use, Longbeard XR. So here we go. See how it shoots. It's about 25-30 yards. I've already shot a lot of turkeys with this, so I know it's, you know, gonna be on, but we'll just take a shot with it. Here we go. Alright folks, here we go. See how the old Stoeger shoots now. I put my dot where I'm gonna aim on that turkey's head just a little higher because this was more centered than this one, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to aim, you know, right in the middle of his head instead of the wattles, but we'll see here. Well folks, there's the Stoeger at 30 yards there. just a touch to the right, but I think I'm gonna call that good. I could have very easily just pulled that just a tiny bit. I think I'm gonna call that good. That's a really good pattern. And here's the 870 at 30 yards. That is just deadly. If that thing comes in, boys, he's gonna die. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the spring turkey woods.